पॉलिनेशन कहते हैं। पोलन को स्टेमन से निकलकर स्टिग्मा पर आना चाहिए। जब एक पौधे के परागकण दूसरे पौधे के परागकण तक पहुंचते हैं तो वह क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन कहलाता है।
Spore. The haploid generative cell divides to form two male gametes. The pollen tube enters the embryo sac through the micropyle. It enters through the degenerating synergid or between the egg and the synergid. The first male gamete fuses with the egg to form a diploid zygote. This process is known as fertilization. The second male gamete fuses with two polar nuclei to form a triploid endosperm nucleus, which will change into endosperm cell. The fusion of three nuclei is known as triple fusion.
Travels in this tube and reaches to the female gamete present in the ovule of the ovary. After that, the male and the female gamete fuse together to form the zygote. This process of fusion of male and female gametes is called fertilization. The zygote formed after the fertilization then divides several times to form an embryo inside the ovule. The ovule develops a tough coat and changes to a seed. The ovary, on the other hand, ripens and forms a fruit around the seed. At this time, the other parts of the flower, like the sepals and petals, fall off. So, a seed present inside a fruit contains an embryo, which is actually a baby plant. Each time a seed is planted in soil and provided appropriate conditions, it grows into a seedling, which then
Some bumblebee populations are in decline, a tragedy since they are among the few bees capable of buzz pollination. This technique is the only efficient way to pollinate plants like tomatoes, eggplants, and blueberries. The bumblebee grabs the flower by the anthers, decouples its flight muscles from the wings, and uses them to shake the flower violently. the only way to get the blossom to dislodge its pollen. Which the bumblebees bring back to their colony.
Plants which sexually reproduce need some way of transporting the sperm and the pollen to the insect-pollinated grasses in the tropics as a result.